Zscaler earnings yesterday right here on this show. That stock is way down today, more than 18.5%. Worst days since 2019 on worries about its billings guide. And joining us now is Zscaler CEO, Chairman and Founder, Jay Chaudry. Jay, good to see you. So strong growth overall here. You say demand is strong as well, but this billings guide issue, you got some first half versus second half dynamics at play that the street didn't expect, and your go-to-market motion is changing as you mature. Please lay it out for us.
So, John, thank you for having me back. We are very proud of the numbers we delivered. Q4 was strong, and as you said, we beat all metrics. We did $1 billion in billings in a single quarter. We exceeded a major milestone of $2.5 billion ARR. Our guidance for the full year was pretty strong. It was 19 to 20% bookings year over year, and that's at scale. I think the market reacted to the fact that the first half growth was smaller than the second half growth. And the reason for that was simple. It's a historical reason. When in calendar 22, the macro got tightened, that was our fiscal 23 first half. That was a weaker first half. Those 3-year deals done essentially reflected in lower contract booking. That makes the first half small and the second half bigger. But the entire year is the same. I like to say you don't really judge the results of a football game on a quarterly basis. You look at the whole game. I think you look at holistically what Zscaler is doing. It's a strong guidance, but it's a little bit offset for first versus second quarter. But we even told the street that we expect to cross $3 billion in ARR this year. So we are very bullish about the way our positioning is, the way our platform is.
Say some more about the go-to-market motion, the way you're looking to team up differently with partners in the ecosystem to keep your pace, your momentum of sales going, and how you expect that to affect share gains in the enterprise.
So every company has to scale. You scale incrementally, then you have a step function change every few years. We brought a very strong leader to run our global sales, and we are up-leveling the sales to be more account-focused, where we can engage with large customer CIOs, CTOs, and CISO. And this is a special way of dealing with that. And you also need channel partners, the system integrators like Accenture, like TCS of the world, who are working with us to drive that growth for us. And we already have a number of indications where the results are working well. We have over 60 customers who pay us over $5 million per year. We have 567 customers who really pay us over $1 million per year. The number of customers is growing up significantly. The demand is strong for cyber, and they want a platform story, not some legacy technology repackaged as a platform. So I think everything is aligned well. And yes, there's changes in the sales team that are going on. We expect some bigger results in second half of fiscal 25, and that's also factored in our guidance.
So, Jay, we're talking about some company-specific changes. We're talking about seasonality. I mean, we've seen Palo Alto Networks and SentinelOne as some recent examples that have boosted aspects of their guidance, and that's been in part because of the impact of what we've seen with that outage at CrowdStrike. What have you seen in response to that outage, and what does that mean for you for future market share?
The biggest thing the outage did is it raised the awareness in the mind of CIOs that services like Zscaler are mission critical, and they want to depend upon companies that can provide service without impact 5 nines of availability. So of the 1,000 largest Zscaler customers, we actually briefed over half of them in the first 3 weeks about how strong our service is. So it has increased the confidence of our customers to work with us. It's overall a good thing because we were the first company in the world to launch a business continuity plan or disaster recovery service for such an incident. And about 40% of customers have already deployed it. The only company in the security market that has a service being used by customers. Regarding CrowdStrike, it's a great company. It built an innovative technologies. I think the overreaction will go away and CrowdStrike will do good. It has well-integrated Zscaler. Some of the largest companies use it.
All right. Jay Chaudry, good to hear from you on what's really happening behind the scenes and under the covers there at Zscaler.